Hey guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be planning my daughter's first birthday and also her birthday in general. We are just doing a little photo shoot, a little get together. That's about it. I am doing everything. I'm not doing too much. I'd rather do it when she's a little bit older, but it is super crazy that this year has flown by super fast. Like when people tell you it goes by fast, it really does. It was literally yesterday where I was giving birth to her. It was literally yesterday when she started crawling. It was literally yesterday when she started walking in her walker, walking in her playpen, saying her first words, everything. So it's like super duper crazy that it has come, and I feel like crying, but I'm not gonna cry. Let me not. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel, turn on post notifications to get an update every time I'm posting a video. And let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I got for her birthday and the decorations and gifts that I got her. I'll show you guys a little bit later on her outfits that I'm planning to put on her to take photos of her. This doesn't show you anything, so I'm gonna put a picture here on what I got, but it comes with a happy birthday banner, balloons, the one balloon, the one boxes, you know, all these decorations in one. So next is a candle. I'm going to be putting this on her smash cake. I think her aunt is gonna make it, or I'm gonna make it with her aunt. I'm gonna do like a little healthy smash cake. This is just a sparkly one candle with a bow on it, and I'm obviously gonna keep it afterwards. I got this little toy for her. It's called wooden pen holders, and like they're little sticks, and then you put them in the designated like colors. My mom decided to get her this little my first birthday guns little thing. I think this is a thing from like back then, this brand, because she was like, oh, this brand is good. I don't know what she's talking about, but yeah, she got this little cute birthday like little stuffy, and then it has a bear and like little presents I think inside. So yeah, that's really cute. Also picked up for her the baby first book, you know, the busy book. She's able to play with it while she's sitting in her playpen, sitting in the car, us going to a restaurant. She could play with this. I got her some shoes. These shoes are really good. They're the Stride Ride 360s. She has a pair that are just plain white, and she's been walking with them in her walker. So these are floral and really cute. So she could probably go out with these. Really good shoe brands to start practicing walking because it's like stable. She has been using the white ones perfectly. And some books that I got her because I am a book fanatic. If you guys have not seen my other videos, but I had to get her some books. So we got Dr. Seuss ABC and Dr. Seuss 1 to 3. I'm upset that the ABC book is not the same size as the 1 to 3 book, but we're just gonna forget about that. And then we got the You're My Little Cuddle Bug, because we call her Buggies, you know, so she's our little ladybug. So I had to get her that one. So that is everything so far that I've been collecting in this Amazon box. I don't know if I plan to wrap them, but I gotta figure that out. So I'm going to do a quick voiceover right now, and that is the brand that I'm using. I got this from Amazon. It comes with 2 plates and paint, and I'm going to paint a plate for baby girl because I saw this idea on TikTok of moms painting it for their son or their daughter for their birthday, and they're able to use it for each of their birthdays. So I decided to do one because I thought it was a cute idea. So enjoy this little time lapse of me making the plate. Saw I painted my baby's plate for her birthday. So now I'm gonna go to work, and when I come home I'm gonna help my sister-in-law, so her aunt, make the cake because she loves to bake, so she's gonna help me make the cake. I got a recipe off of TikTok, so I'm gonna put it on the side while we are making it because I don't know how many clips we're gonna get. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna set up the backdrop. I'm gonna set up the balloons. Basically everything today because tomorrow's her birthday. So I'm super excited. I think I'm gonna cry, but yeah. So here is us making the cake. That's the dry ingredients, the wet ingredients, and then we mix it all together. Put in the ramekins to put it in the oven. Here's me making the frosting. I was trying to get as much honey out as possible, and then we just ended up using another honey. But here I am mixing the honey with the cream cheese and the vanilla extract, making sure everything's incorporated. And then here is my sister-in-law stacking up the cake. So she's putting the frosting in between each part of the cake. And then we are going to frost the outside of the cake and then put strawberries at the top and put some sprinkles, and that is all. Honestly, guys, last night I was so tired and went to sleep. It's the day of her birthday now. We have the boxes set up. I did this yesterday. I did some balloons. I did like 6 balloons. I gotta do the rest of the balloons. I'm not gonna do as much, but I need to fill up the boxes with balloons, basically. Gotta put up the background. I had myself set up here. Didn't finish. So the baby's sleeping still, so I'm trying to go upstairs to get the background because the background's in a plastic bag that makes a lot of noise. They really want me to put this together. That's crazy. Okay. Here is the happy birthday sign. It wasn't that hard to do. It was easy. So these are the 3 outfits that I had her wear. I actually had another one, but these are the ones that she actually wore. So she had this one that says 1, and on the back it says in my 1-year-old era. This is from Amazon. It's my birthday t-shirt. I think this is from Amazon too, and that as well is just the 1 sweater. She had a dress too, but then she didn't wear that one. But yeah. From the previous clips, we went to Build-A-Bear, and that was yesterday, so I'm gonna show you guys what she got. She got 3 types of bears. So I'll open, let's turn the background playing. So the first one is that happy birthday bear. So this is the one that costs $1, because I was like, how does this dollar thing work? Because you know, on TikTok they be showing like, go to Build-A-Bear, you get it for their baby's age. So this is the bear that they have. This is a birthday bear. And then it has the happy birthday at the bottom. So this is the bear that we got for her birthday. And then before I asked someone, I was asking her to pick one. And then we showed her one. She was not paying attention to that one. She was looking away. And as soon as I showed her this one, she like grabbed it and held on to it. And she like really loved it. And this is, I'll search it up, but I think this is the hug, I don't know, but this is this cute little one. And they all have voices in it, so let me see.
Happy first birthday. Love you.
So cute. Oh, she just looked at me. She was like, I heard a voice. So that was the one she really liked. She was holding on to it. She did not let go of that junk. It's so crazy. And then my mom got her a bunny. It's a cute little bunny. We tried to show her the bunny. She was not paying attention because she already had the other one. But we got her the bunny because since it's Easter and everything, we decided to get her a bunny too. And bunnies are cute. So we got her this bunny. Cute. They all got little shirts. A birthday shirt. Birthday princess. Today's your day. And another happy birthday shirt, I believe. But yeah, those are the 3 she got, which is super duper cute. That was all for the video, but I'm just organizing that so all of this is behind me. But my mom got her a cake, and she got a cake for my brother too. Like, both of them is in the same birthday month, so we just sang happy birthday for both of them. And then she got her some toys, some clothes, and the usual. So yeah, that was all for her birthday vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.